Good morning, all of you. Now, look here one question we drew. A circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stressed and tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degree. Look here, according to this question, we will draw first a diagram. Look here, a artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope. This is a 20-meter and this is a rope, and this is hypotenuse for this diagram also, because this is a 90 degree, opposite to 90 degree. This angle is 30 degree, and look here this angle with the ground is 30 degree, and you have to find the height of pole. Means here this is a pole, okay, and this is a rope. Look here this pole is like a perpendicular, and this is a hypotenuse. We have to we know that Pandit Badri Prasad Har Bole, and here is sine theta, cos theta and tan theta, okay. So look here P and H, we have a relation. P and H is sine theta, so you can write here sine theta equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Sine 30 perpendicular, we have to find, that is AB, and hypotenuse is already given to you 20 meter, okay. Sine 30 we know already, that is 1 upon 2 and AB upon 20 meter. Now you cross multiply, we will get here AB is equal to 20 upon 2 meter, that is equal to 10 meter. So you can write this is a height of pole equal to 10 meter. All of understand, this is a very simple solution. Look here, question is, a tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bend so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degree with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. Find the height of the tree. According to this question, we draw the diagram. Look here, all of you, this is a tree. AC is a tree, and it breaks due to storm, and the broken part means it break from the B part, and the broken part touch the ground, making angle 30 degree. Means look here, this B is, A is top and that is bend and touch the ground, okay, and make the angle 30 degree. This is a 30 degree. This CBA is a T part, okay. Now the distance between the foot of the tree, foot of tree is here C, to the point where the top touch the ground, means top is here A, touch the ground. This distance is given to you 8 meter. Look here, if you suppose here BC height is X, and the above part height means AB height is here Y. So look here, the height of tree will be here X plus Y, okay. So first of all, we can write here, suppose the height of tree, that is AC, and this is equal to X plus Y, and here AB equal to Y and BC equal to X, we can suppose. Now this is a right triangle BCA is angle C equal to 90 degree, and here angle A is equal to 30 degree, it is given to you. Now look here, we know that Pandit Badri Prasad Har Bole, this is sine theta, cos theta and tan theta. All of you understand this? Now look here, first of all this base is given to you, and I want to find X. X is perpendicular. This is perpendicular, this is the base, and this is hypotenuse, okay. Now perpendicular and base one relation is here, perpendicular and base one relation is tan theta. So I can write here tan theta equal to perpendicular upon base. Tan theta is here 30 degree, and perpendicular is here X, and base is here 8 meter. Now tan 30 we know already, that is 1 upon root 3 and X upon 8 meter. So by these we can get X equal to 8 upon root 3 meter. All of understand, this is equation 1. Now same as it is, we have to find the y, hypotenuse we have to find. So y and base means here h, hypotenuse and base, one rule is hypotenuse and base we have a cos theta. So we can write here cos theta equal to base upon hypotenuse. Here theta is 30 degrees. So we can write cos 30 and base is 8 meter and hypotenuse is here y. Okay, now cos 30 is we know that root 3 by 2, okay, and 8 meter upon y. So by these we can find the y equal to 8 into 2 by root 3 means we can get 16 upon root 3 meter. All we understand this is equation 2. Now we have to find here height of tree, and height of tree we know already, that is AC, and AC equal to x plus y. Here x is 8 upon root 3 meter plus 16 upon root 3 meter. This y is 16 upon root 3. Now we add 8 16, we get 24 upon root 3 meter. This we have to rationalize, means we have to multiply by root 3 and divide by root 3. So we will get here 24 root 3 by 3, and we can cancel, we get 8 root 3 meter, means height of tree is 8 root 3. And look here, root 3 is 1.732, you will multiply, you get 13.856, and in short you can write 13.86 meter. This is the height of the tree. A contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park. For the children below the age of 5 years, she prefers to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter and is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the ground. Whereas for elder children, she wants to have a step slides to have a height of 3 meter included at an angle of 60 degree to the ground. What should be the length of the slide in each case? So look here, according this question we draw the diagram. Look here, a contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park. For the children below the age of 5 years, this is below age of 5 years, she prepared to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter. This is 1.5 meter height is given to you, 1.5 meter, and inclined at an angle of 30 degree. This angle is 30 degree to the ground. Whereas the elder children, she want to have the step slide at a height of 3 meter. This is 3 meter and inclined at 60 degree. This is 60 degree to the ground. What should be the length of the slide? Here the length we will suppose L1, and this length is L2. Here this is a hypotenuse. Look here, this is perpendicular. Hypotenuse and perpendicular, we have a relation is sine theta. Sine theta equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Sine theta, theta means here 30 degree, and perpendicular is 1.5 meter, and height we have to find, that is L1. And look here, sine 30 is here we know 1 upon 2 and 1.5 meter upon L1. So we do the cross product, we get L1 equal to 1.5 meter into 2, that is 3.0 meter, means L1 equal to 3 meter we get. Okay, and similarly for the other question, here also this is a perpendicular and this is hypotenuse. So here also we will use the sine theta formula, that is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Here theta is 60 degree, perpendicular is 3 meter, and hypotenuse is L2. Now sine 60 is root 3 by 2 equal to 3 by L2. Now cross product we will do. We will get here 3 into 2 equal to root 3 into L2. So L2 will be equal to 3 into 2 upon root 3. This root 3 and we can cancel 2 root 3 meter we will get here. So we can write here that length of slide below the age of 5 years equal to 3 meter, and length of slide for elder children equal to 2 root 3 meter. Look here, one question is the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. Look here, the angle of elevation of top of tower. Here top of tower is C, and angle of elevation from the ground, look here, this point A is given to you 30 degree, and which is 30 meter away, the means the distance BA is given to you 30 meter. Now find the height of tower. Height of tower is suppose H. So we can write here, suppose height of tower BC equal to H. Now look here, hypotenuse, this is a perpendicular, this is a perpendicular, and this is a base, and the relation between perpendicular and base is perpendicular upon base is tan theta. Okay, and theta is here 30 degree, and perpendicular is here H, and base is 30 meter. Now tan 30 is 1 upon root 3 H upon 30. Now 30 meter, cross product we do, 30 upon root 3 M equal to H. Now this you can multiply and divide by root 3. So in denominator we get 3, you can cancel. So we get H is 10 root 3 meter. So you can write height of tower equal to 10 root 3 meter. Or you can write 10, this is also answer, or 10 into 1.732, that is value of root 3, then you get 17.32 meter. So you can write any answer, both is correct. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. Find the length of the string assuming that there is no slack in the string. According to this question, we have to draw the diagram. Look here, all of you, here is this position P, this is a kite, and here this angle is given to you, angle between the QR and the PR is given to you 60 degree. This is PR is here the string, and there is no slack in the string, so you can draw direct, and this is the length L of the string. So you can suppose that length of string, suppose length of string equal to L meter. Okay, now look here, the perpendicular, this PQ, this height is given to you, that is perpendicular, and this is equal to 60 meter. Now look at perpendicular and hypotenuse, one relation we have, perpendicular upon hypotenuse, this is sine theta. Okay, and theta is here 60 degree, perpendicular is here 60 meter, and hypotenuse is L. Sine 60 we know already, that is root 3 by 2 equal to 60 upon L. Okay, this cross product we will get here 60 into 2 upon root 3, that is equal to L, and you can multiply and divide by root 3. So we get here 60 into 2 root 3 upon 3. 3 you can cancel, 3 to just 6, we get 40 root 3, this is equal to L. So we can write length of string equal to 40 root 3 meter, or we can write 40 into 1.732 equal to 69.28 meter. All of you understand, this is a very simple solution. Look here, a 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increased from 30 degree to 60 degree. As he walks toward the building, find the distance he walked toward the building. Look here, all of you, here according to this we draw the diagram. Here this PT is a building, and the boy is AR, and first he make angle with this top of the building is 30 degree with this eyes, and then he walked toward the building, and the angle changed to 60 degree. Okay, Now you have to find the distance traveled by him. You suppose this distance is x. Okay, this distance is y. Now here PC, this will be the height of the building is given to you 30 meter. Height is PT. So this PC will be equal to 30 minus 1.5 is 28.5 meter. This is the height, this PC height. Now we can take triangle PCB. This is a PCB triangle. Here this perpendicular is equal to 28.5 meter, and the base is y meter that we suppose here, and base and perpendicular we have a relation is tan theta. Tan theta is perpendicular upon base, and theta is here 60 degrees, so we can write tan 60. Perpendicular is here 28.5 meter, and base is here y. Tan 60 is root 3, so we get here this is y we get here 28.5 upon root 3 meter. Look here, this we have to rationalize, means 28.5 upon root 3 we multiply and divide by root 3. So we get here 28.5 root 3 upon 3, and 3 is cancel. 3 9 are 27 and 3 5 are 15, means 9 root 3 meter we get. This is the value of y. Same as it is, we will take in triangle PAC, in triangle PCA. Okay, and here PCA, this is perpendicular is again 28.5, and base is here x plus y. Base is what is x plus y. This whole is a base. So look here also we use tan 30 equal to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is 28.5 and base is x plus y. Tan 30 we know already, that is 1 upon root 3, and this is 28.5 upon x plus y. This implies that x plus y equal to 28.5 meter. Now by equation 1 we can put the value. By equation 1 put y equal to 9.5 root 3 meter. Look here, we get here x plus y equal to 28.5 root 3 meter. Now this value of y is 9.5 root 3 meter. This value we will put here. So we get here x plus 9.5 root 3 equal to 28.5 root 3. Now we transfer, so we get x equal to 28.5 root 3 minus 9.5 root 3. Now root 3 we will take common, so 28.5 minus 9.5 root 3 we get, and this is equal to 19 root 3 meter. So the boy walked the distance toward the building equal to 19 root 3 meter.